Hey guys, it's Crypto Analysis coming at you with an update video on Helium. Man, it's getting really, I'm getting really tempted to actually start a position on Helium Mobile. Because check this out. So, uh, I mean, hopefully, like, we've been looking at Helium for a while now. So if anybody's, concurrent viewer, you know that we've been saying, hey, it needs to break out of this downtrend and it needs to start accumulating. So it looks like we double bottomed, but the double bottom also, we're sitting on support. So you can see that we have support at 57, right? So last time we came here, we got a nice little bounce, came down, bounced again, came down. So I guess maybe this is a triple bottom. Worst case scenario, this isn't, and we find support at 3028, which actually that would shake out a lot of people. People would lose hope. People would be completely crushed. And that would be devastating to a lot of people that have been accumulating if they went all in, which again, I always strongly advise don't go all in. 99% of the time the market goes down, so save your money, wait to buy at the lowest possible times ever, right? Or just you do this, look at the RSI and just buy when it's extremely oversold. So like even back here, the RSI was extremely oversold, and had you bought here, let me just close all that. Had you bought here, you would have been up, around 350%. You would have had the option to sell. Now, if you didn't, that's on you. You lost it all, and it's back to even. But you had the opportunity to, as opposed to someone that's just blindly buying wherever and then losing money and then saying, hey, I hate crypto, right? So from my perspective, I'm like, okay, so if this goes down, this is going to come back down. This is going to go down. And we've been making, and this is technically what happens in a bear market where you make lower lows when the RSI goes extremely oversold. So if that actually does happen, then I would say that it's not out of the question and out of the realm of possibility that Helium Mobile comes down to 3028. That is a really big capitulation. I'm not trying to scare you guys, but if I were to buy Helium and if it comes down to 3028, I'm definitely going to put in probably like a couple $100, because at that point from this back up to its all-time high is 26x. So you turn a couple $100 into $5,000. That's not a bad play. But you guys got to decide if that's what you guys want to do. I'm just saying personally, me, and I do look at every single coin, because I a lot of people ask me for coins. I always stream and I always look at like random coins and random requests and everything like that. And for the coins that I really like Spell Token and a couple other ones, Helium Mobile is up there with that. Like Helium Mobile is on my list. I think that it has a lot of potential, real world use case, and it's almost fully diluted. So I don't have to worry about getting dumped on or getting my share diluted, because it's almost fully diluted. So I'm not in a dire need. So if I do see it down here, and just saying that is the next area of support, and that would be hopefully that's the bottom, and then you get consolidation and then breakout. Because if it isn't, then we could go all the way back down to 301. But now saying that and saying like my biased perspective of my buying, now completely keeping that aside, what I'm seeing right now is a double bottom. So what you really want to see again is consolidation, establishing a floor, and then a breakout. So if that is the bottom, and if that does manage to hold, then 201 is in play. So I'd say bearish under 201 and then bullish over 2015. Keep in mind that like last time, we can come all the way back here and still get rejected and even make that lower low. So don't get overly bullish if you do see Helium Mobile at 15, so 2015. That is around 167% pump. So, that is a really big move up. But just again, keep in mind, we can come back down. That needs to break, and the price action needs to stay over that level. So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. I hope this made sense. I know it's a lot of information. Please like, subscribe, comment. This is all just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.